Hi, my name is Mohan Raj and my matrix number is 23DLS23F1103.
Hi, my name is Simal. My metric number is 23DLS23F1114.
My name is Mohammad Alif bin Mohammad Nazri. My number metric is 23DLS23F1093.
Hello, my name is Mama Arif bin Azman. My number metric is 23DLS 23F1094.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name's Shakib Al-Aslam bin Muhammad Juhaimi. My matrix number 23DLS23F1087.
And me and my friends are going to talk about green logistics as a technology adoption in transportation and its challenges. Before we get to start, what is green logistics? Green logistics refer to the process of minimizing the environmental impact of logistic activities, including transportation, warehousing, and supply chain operations, through a sustainable practice and technologies. Its focus on reducing carbon emissions, energy consumption, and waste while maintaining efficiency in the movement of goods. And also, how does green logistics works as a technology adoption in a transportation development? Green logistics refers to application that environmental sustainable practice within the transportation and supply chain sectors. A key component in the green logistic adoption of electric cars and alternative fuel vehicles such as electric trucks, hydrogen power vehicles, and those running on biofuels, which is a reduced reliance on fossil fuel. And also these advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, and support smart route planning by analyzing traffic plans and weather condition to select the most fuel efficient path. Dynamic routing system adjusts routes in a real time to avoid congestion, while delivery consolidation strategies minimize the number of trips required, reduce emissions. Internet of Things devices and telematics further enhance efficiency by providing real-time tracking of conditions, fuel consumption, and driving behavior. These can prevent unnecessary downtime. In summary, green logistics amplify how the technology adoption is transforming transportation development towards sustainability by integrating AI, Internet of Things, these alternative fuels and smart infrastructure. Business can achieve greater operational efficiency while minimizing their environmental impact. This approach aligns economic and ecological goals, creating a pathway towards sustainable transportation solution.
Here are some real world examples of how green logistic technologies are initiative in sea transport, showcasing how technology is fostering sustainability in maritime shipping. The first one I'm going to explain is about the alternative fuel and green propulsion. The first one is the Maersk launched the world's first container ship powered by green logistic methanol, a low carbon alternative to fossil fuel, aiming for net zero emission by 2040. And the next one is the CMA CGM operates several vessels using the LNG, which is liquefied natural gas, and reduce carbon dioxide and sulfur oxide emission compared to the traditional marine fuel. So, and the next one I'm going to explain is about the electric and hybrid vessels. Yara International developed the Yara Birkeland, the world's first fully electric and autonomous cargo ship, designed for short sea voyages to reduce the emission. And the next one is about the Scanlines, operates hybrid ferries with battery electric power, reducing fuel use and emission during crossing between the Germany and the Denmark. So, and the last one is the smart port operation and automation. Port of Rotterdam uses IoT and AI for smart cargo management, optimizing ship movement and reducing waiting times to lower fuel consumption. The next one is the Port of Singapore implements automated cranes and electric vehicles in its operation, cutting down the emissions and improving energy efficiency.
The aviation industry contributes about 12% of all transport-related carbon dioxide emissions, mainly from fuel burn in aircraft engines. These carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions harm air quality, can cause respiratory issue, and speed up climate change. When planes fly at high altitude from contrails, ice crystals that trap heat in the atmosphere. This effect, called radiative forcing, contributes to global warming. Studies show the countries may warm the planet as much as the carbon dioxide emissions from aircraft themselves. The aviation industry is working on sustainable aviation fuel, electric and hybrid planes, and more efficient engines to cut emissions. SAF could reduce carbon dioxide emission by up to 18% over their life cycle, but they're currently expensive and in short supply, making it hard to adopt them widely. Speed up climate change. When planes fly at high altitude from contrails, ice crystals that trap heat in the atmosphere. This effect, called radiative forcing, contributes to global warming. Studies show the countries may warm the planet as much as the carbon dioxide emissions from aircraft themselves. The aviation industry is working on sustainable aviation fuel, electric and hybrid planes, and more efficient engines to cut emissions. SAF could reduce carbon dioxide emission by up to 18% over their life cycle, but they're currently expensive and in short supply, making it hard to adopt them widely.
3. Air traffic management is facing challenges due to the rising number of flights worldwide. This increase has caused significant delay and crowded airspace in the US. Congestion-related delays are estimated to cost airlines about $8 billion each year in higher fuel maintenance and staff expenses. Many major airports like London, Heathrow, and Los Angeles International are operating at or over their capacity, leading to long delays during busy times. Expanding runways or terminals to accommodate more flights take a lot of planning money and environmental studies. New technology like NextGen in the US and CESAR in Europe are creating better air traffic management system. This innovation aim to make flying more efficient, reduce delay, and lower fuel use by optimizing flight paths.
Air cargo, often variable or time sensitive, can be damaged, lost, or mishandled during loading and unloading. This leads to claim insurance costs and delay, impacting both the airline and shipper financially. With the turbulence, air pressure change, and extreme temperature during transit and damage-sensitive cargo like perishable and electronic. High-value items such as temperature-sensitive pharmaceutical are especially at risk. GPS tracking, RFID, and advanced monitoring system help reduce loss and offer real-time visibility. Secure packaging standard and improved handling protocol are also being implemented to protect cargo.
Communities near airports deal with noise pollution, which can cause health problems like sleep disturbance, stress, and increased cardiovascular risk. Research shows that airport noise can lower property values, and residents often oppose airport expansion due to these noise concerns. Airport use noise abatement procedure like nighttime flight curfews and optimized flight paths to reduce noise. For instance, San Francisco International Airport has a 24-hour noise monitoring program to ensure compliance with noise regulation. Newer aircraft models like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350 features innovation in engine design, wing technology, and quicker operation that greatly reduce noise. Additionally, noise cancelling insulation materials help lessen the impact on passenger and nearby community.